Good morning everyone. I am Dr. Madhuri Sadkir and today I am going to talk about how to calculate and how to measure target heart rate zone, right? So why we need target heart rate zone, where we use it, and how we decide a certain level of load, right? So very important is whenever we go for the exercise and whenever we determine to perform a certain form of exercise to achieve a certain form of goal, we follow a certain form of load that is called a stress, physical stress, and that stress is completely depend upon your capacity, what potential, what capacity you have, and therefore it is very important that you should follow your heart rates so that there will be no overexertion on your heart and there should not be any consequences. So it is very important what exactly the heart rate range should be there for every individual as per their own capacity. So first of all, we are going to understand how to calculate the target heart rate zone. Like what kind of intensity of load we can use to decide our intensity zone. And so first of all, we are going to understand and calculate the range of heart beats, right? So what is the upper age of the heart rate and the lower age of the heart rate, okay? Once we find the range, then we will decide in which range of heart rate we are going to work out, right? So exertion rate will be decided once you know what is your range of heart rate, right? So there is a two things that we are going to learn. One is your heart rate range, upper and lower limit, and second we are going to learn the how to calculate a certain load with the capacity of the heart, right? There is some formulas and there is some prerequisites when we are calculating the target heart rate zone, right? So we'll go for one by one. So first of all, we have to calculate maximum heart rate because we are going to see what is my maximum heart rate. Up to that I can reach, I can go, and what is my lowest heart rate, right? So we will calculate the maximum heart rate here. There is a simple formula for calculating the maximum heart rate. It is 220 minus age. So we will take example of the person who is 30-year-old, right? 30-year-old. So now 220 minus 30, so it is 190. So now we got maximum heart rate, that is 190 as per the 30-year boy, woman, man or girl, right? So now we are going to see what is a heart rate range, okay? So when we are going to calculate the heart rate range, we will find the lower range of the heart rate for exercise or for the workout. How to calculate heart rate range? So there is a formula to calculate. We have to take first maximum heart rate and we have to minus the resting heart rate. For example, 70 is the resting heart rate, right? So 70 is the resting heart rate, age is 30. So I am taking this in the calculation. 190 is our maximum heart rate minus 70 is our resting heart rate. So how much it will be? 120. Initially, we need two things, okay? The upper limit and the lower limit, okay? We got both. So we got heart rate range, which is maximum 190 and minimum 120. So I can work out from 120 to 190 as a 30-year person. Okay? So now we are going towards to decide exertion rate or intensity of our workout. So how to decide the intensity, that we are going to see now. So whenever we decide to work out in particular percentage, for example, if I want to work for 50% intensity or 60% intensity or 70% intensity, this is my starting and I am moving in between 50 to 70%, 60 to 70%, 70 to 80%, right? So this is my percentage range that I'm in between this percent. So this is my lower side and this is my higher side, right? So now how to decide this higher and lower percentage that we are going to see. So that is very simple to understand. First you have to decide what is your heart capacity to function, right? So 50% is good percentage. It fall under the moderate intensity. So you can take 50% and in between the 50 to 70%, so that you can use the load between 50 to 70%. First we will see how to calculate the lower percentage, and then we will move towards calculating the higher percentage of the intensity. Now we are going to calculate 50 to 70% load intensity. So this is my lower side, this is my higher side of the intensity. So first of all we are going to calculate lower side of the percentage, and that is, we can say, threshold percentage, right? Threshold percentage. What is formula for threshold percentage to calculate 50%? Heart rate range into 0.50 percentage, right? Heart rate range into 0.50 percentage. So what is the heart rate range is 120 into 5%. So how much it will be? 60, right? Once you got this percentage, you have to add resting heart rate in this. So what is my resting heart rate? Is 70. So I am adding my 70 here. So how much it will be? 130, right? So how much I got as a 50% threshold is 130, right? So this is my lower side of intensity of load. Now I am going towards the 70%. How to calculate, we'll see that. So we got a lower percentage. Now we are going for the higher percentage. So we consider earlier 70%, suppose the higher percentage, right? So when we calculate the higher percentage of intensity, we consider that calculation as a target ceiling rate, right? So to calculate the target ceiling rate, what I required? I required the same steps, right? So what I am going to do, we are going to take the heart rate range, that is 120, right, into 0.70. So it will be 84, right? Now here we are going to calculate again as per the earlier step. It is 84, which we got as a target ceiling heart rate, plus resting heart rate, that is 70, is 152, right? Now you can see here the 70% exertion will be 154, right? So now what is my target heart rate zone? Target heart rate zone is 130 to 154, right? And you can see this intensity is in between 50 to 70, so it goes towards moderate, or you can say the sub-maximal, moving towards maximal, but it is actually in the sub-maximal, okay? So likewise you can calculate your target heart rate zone, right? So this is very simple calculation, how to calculate target heart rate zone. So friends, we will just summarize our calculation. As I discussed with you, we have to calculate the target heart rate zone, right? Why we need target heart rate zone? So that we can regulate our heart functioning and lung functioning. There should not be any overload, and right load is going on your body, on your related organs, so that they will strengthen and they will function more efficiently, okay? That is why we need target heart rate zone. And even you can find out how much percentage of adaptation taking place, like how long you can you can push your fatigue threshold. That is very important. So you can recognize when you are in the particular zone for certain weeks, you will recognize that yes, your capacity is increasing. So likewise we can use target heart rate zone to design a scientific fitness training program, right? So what we require for that, we require our age, because the basic formula is 220 minus age for calculating the maximum heart rate, right? Maximum heart rate of your heart, it is 90%. You can consider you are giving scope to reach up to the maximum heart rate, right? So it is depend upon the what is your physical fitness state. According to that, you can decide your workload intensity, right? Then you can find your lower limit or lower age of your heart rate functioning, means from where you can start your activity or warming up or your initial activities. It is a heart rate range, right? And then further we calculate our lower limit, lower percentage of intensity and higher percentage of intensity range, right? For the lower and higher, we have a same formula. Only the thing we need to decide or at what percentage I have to do workout. And at the end, you can see, you can find this is a lower and higher heart rate zone, lower and higher heart rate intensity, right? So with this intensity you can work out, and which is called targeted heart rate zone. So this targeted heart rate zone, if you are very regular in your training program, fitness program, definitely it will push your limits. So if it is if you are working on 50% now, you may push upon the 55% or 53% likewise, and 70% also exceed, like also increase, so that your performance capacity will increase, right? So this entire picture is about the target heart rate zone. So friends, today we come to know how to calculate target heart rate zone and how to identify the upper and lower limit of the heart, right? And then we come to know how to calculate the load intensity with the help of heart rate, right? So we come to know what is my exertion limit and where I'm comfortable, and what is my training objective and where I'm going. You can fix your training objective before entering in any training program. It is very important. And then decide your prerequisites, what kind of test you are going to conduct, okay, what kind of means and mode you are going to use, what kind of recovery you are going to take, so that it will entirely help you to boost your performance, and there is a definitely success in your training program. I hope you like my video, and if you like my video and information, please subscribe the channel and share with your many friends, so that they will come to know how independently design their own training program based on target heart rate zone. Thank you so much.